Now another question based on inverse circular function that omega is equal to secant inverse of z. Now we have to prove this in terms of circular function. So z is equal to secant of z. Now if I take reciprocal of this equation, then it is equal to 1 over z, 1 over secant z, and 1 over secant is equal to cos of z. Now 1 over z is equal to cos of z is equal to e power iota omega plus e power negative iota omega divided by 2. Now if I again take reciprocal of this equation, then it will be z is equal to 2 divided by e power iota omega plus e power negative iota omega. Now multiplying denominator on both sides of this equation, then it will be z into e power iota omega plus e power minus iota omega is equal to 2. Now multiplying e power iota omega on both sides of this equation, if I multiply e power iota omega to both sides of this equation, then it will be z into e power iota omega whole square plus 1 is equal to 2 into e power iota omega. Then this equation is e power iota omega whole square plus z is equal to 2 into e power iota omega. Then this equation is z into e power iota omega whole square plus this equation is this term. If I this 1 multiply with this z, it is z, and if I shift this to this side, then it will be minus 2 into e power iota omega equal to 0. So here this is a quadratic equation with variable e power iota z. Then this equation z e power iota omega whole square minus 2 into e power iota omega plus z equal to 0. A equal to z, b equal to minus 2, c equal to z. Then e power iota omega in term of quadratic formula minus b minus into minus 2, it is 2 plus minus b square, b equal to 2, so it is 4 minus 4 into 1 z into c z divided by 2 into 1. So e power iota omega is equal to 2 plus minus 4 minus 4z square divided by 2. I did one mistake here, a equal to z, so in denominator there is 2a, so it is 2z. So e power iota omega 2 into 1 plus minus, if I common 4 from this, then 4 under the root is equal to 2, so 2 1 plus minus 1 minus z square divided by 2, 2 cancel out with this 2, and here z is alone, so e power iota omega is equal to 1 plus minus 1 minus z square divided by z. It is the value of e power iota omega. It is the value of e power iota omega. Now if I find the value of iota omega, then the equation will be iota omega is equal to log of 1 plus minus 1 minus z square square root divided by z, and omega is equal to 1 over iota log of 1 plus minus 1 minus z square square root divided by z, and omega is equal to secant inverse of z. So secant inverse of z is equal to 1 over iota into log of 1 minus it is plus 1 minus z square square root divided by z. It is the formula for the secant inverse of z.